In last video, we have discussed about colligative properties, and there are four type of colligative properties: relative lowering in vapor pressure, elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point, osmotic pressure. We had also discussed about relative lowering in vapor pressure in our last video. Welcome learners, today we will discuss about some problems and their solution based upon relative lowering in vapor pressure. Numericals based upon relative lowering in vapor pressure. So we have questions in our question banks, and what are these questions? First is, what is the mass of a non-volatile solute which should be dissolved in 114 gram of octane to reduce its vapor pressure to 80%? Molar mass of solute is 40. So in this question, what we have to calculate? Mass of a non-volatile solute. Mass of non-volatile solute. It is to be calculated. And what we have as the data? We have the data 140 gram of octane and vapor pressure to be reduced 80% and molar mass of solute is 40. So let us solve this problem. First of all, we will write the equation for relative lowering in vapor pressure, and it is P node A minus P divided by P node A is equal to WB by MB into MA by WA. Let us think about what we have as our data. We have data given as 140 gram of octane. It means octane we know is our solvent, so weight of solvent is 114 gram. Now think about the molar mass of octane. We know molar mass of octane having the formula C8H18 will be what? Molar mass of carbon, atomic mass of carbon is 12 into 8 for hydrogen 1 into 18. So we will have 96 plus 18, that is 114 gram. So we have WA is equal to 114 gram and MA is also equal to 114 gram. Now think about वेपर प्रेशर हमें रिड्यूस करना है 80% तक. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि स्टार्टिंग में जो हम वेपर प्रेशर लेना है वो कितना मानना पड़ेगा? 100. सो P नोड A is 100. पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ सॉल्वेंट इन इट्स प्योर स्टेट इज 100 and P will be reduced to 80%. So P is equal to 80. Now we have to calculate mass of non-volatile solute, and we have also given mass of solute, molar mass of solute. So we have also value of MB, and that is 40, and we have to calculate what? WB. So how we will calculate WB? From this equation, P node A equal to 100 minus P is equal to 80 divided by 100. WB we have to calculate by MB, that is 40 into MA, and that is equal to 114, and WA that is also 114. याद रखिएगा इसके अंदर हमने इक्वेशन जो ली है वो आइडियल सॉल्यूशन के लिए ली है, और आइडियल सॉल्यूशन में हम जिसमें हम डाइल्यूट सॉल्यूशन को काउंट करते हैं वहां पे हम WB by MB के फैक्टर को नीचे जो रखा जाता है उसको हम डिस्कार्ड कर देते हैं, उसको हम नेग्लेक्ट कर देते हैं, बिकॉज इन केस ऑफ डाइल्यूट सॉल्यूशन P node A minus P divided by P node A equal to WB by MB into MA by WA. So from this equation we will have 20 by 100 equal to WB by 40 into 140 divided by 114 equal to 1. So WB will be equal to what? 20 by में 100 into 40. 0 0 cancel हो गई. So we will have 2 4 जा 8. So mass और weight of solute is 8 gram. That is our answer of first question. Now let's read the second question, and that is at 298 Kelvin vapor pressure of water is 23.75 mmHg. Calculate the vapor pressure at the same temperature over 5% aqueous, that is aqueous solution of urea. Aqueous means urea is dissolved in water. So we have data, and that is our answer to. We have data as 23.75 mmHg, that is vapor pressure of water, and 5% aqueous solution of urea is given to us. So it means we have P equal to 23.75 mmHg, whereas aqueous solution of urea, it means weight of solute, because urea is our solute, it is 5 gram, and because it is dissolved in solvent, and solvent is our water, because urea is dissolved and it is formed as aqueous, that's why it is dissolved in water. So weight of water will be 95 ग्राम, क्योंकि ये 5% बना रखा है, तो इसका मतलब पानी आपका कितना बचा 100 में से 95 ग्राम. एंड वी नो मास ऑफ यूरिया, दैट इज NH2CONH2. यूरिया का ये फॉर्मूला होता है NH2CONH2. सो मोलर मास ऑफ यूरिया विल बी व्हाट? फॉर नाइट्रोजन एटॉमिक मास इज 14 प्लस हाइड्रोजन 1 into 2. For carbon it is 12, for oxygen it is 16, for nitrogen again it is 14, and for hydrogen 1 into 2. So it will be equal to what? 14 plus 2, 16 plus 12, 28, 28 plus 16, 44, 44 plus 14, 58 plus 2, 60. So it's 60 gram. So MB is equal to 60 gram, and because we are dissolving in water, so molar mass of water we know 1 into 2 for hydrogen plus oxygen के लिए 16, it will be equal to 18 gram. So we will put the value in your equation, and that is P naught A divided by minus P divided by P naught A equal to WB by MB into MA by WA. So we will calculate by putting these values, and this is P naught A. This is P naught A because we are taking in its pure state. Water की हमने pure state लिया, so that this is P naught A. So the value of P naught A is 23.75 minus P divided by 23.75 is equal to WB is given to us, that is 5 divided by MB 60 into MA 18 divided by WA. WA is 95. So we will put this value 23.75 minus P equal to 5 divided by 60 into 80 divided by 95 into 23.75. ये टर्म आपकी इस तरफ चले जाएगी. So from here we can calculate what will the value of these numbers. So we think, we suppose it x. So from here we can calculate the value of P. It will be equal to 23.75 minus x. So from here we can calculate the pressure of our solution. So this is the answer of second question. So likewise there are other problems based upon relative lowering in vapor pressure, and these are very important when we are comparing with these problems with our board exams or for our competitive exam as well. Think positively, students. Every difficult problem has a easy solution. So let us think positively.